What's going on, guys? Make money online in every single day. I upload a video to teach you how to make money online step by step. In my previous videos, I shared about different types of make money online related website and apps. So, watch that video from my YouTube channel. Today, I want to share about 10 amazing websites to earn extra cash by writing your article from any corner of the world. So, you can get this golden chance to write article for achieving extra cash. So how you will search that article and how you will search that prospective websites to source and write articles for ensuring extra cash from any corner of the world. So step by step was this video. At the end of this video, I also shared about amazing or professional marketplace to ensure more and more or billion dollars easily from any corner of the world by writing articles. So before starting this video, I cordially request to watch my previous videos from my YouTube channel. And if you appreciate my videos, please like, comment, share more and more with your friends and family members. And please subscribe my channel and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from here. So let's get started. All right, today's I want to share about 10 best websites that pay you to write from home or from any corner of the world. First of all, this one is listburst.com. Listburst.com is a professional marketplace to provide your article writing service to ensure extra cash. There are lots of or trustworthy websites for starting your article writing journey easily from any corner of the world. So you have to source that professional or trustworthy websites to give your service properly. So what type of website this one? I mean listburst.com. This one is a general related niche website. I think you can earn $100 per article. And now I would like to share another one. If you want to earn extra cash from this article writing job, you have to know more and more on different types of niches, I think. So whatever you like, or there are lots of niches online to make money online from home. So you can choose this niche, I mean general niche, to start your journey for ensuring extra cash. This one is a list burst, and you will be able to know more and more information about this. Is a list burst is a multi-niche website features list of trivia from a wide variety of categories including lifestyle, society, entertainment, science, and history. As its name suggests, this site only publishes list-based articles. To become a paid writer, you are required to provide an original and interesting article that's at least 1,800 words long with no less than 10 items in the list. However, you will only be paid $100 by PayPal if their team of editors approves your work. So this is totally clear, I mean crystal clear to start your journey on listbars.com over here, and you have to provide your 1,800 words article to ensure extra cash. I mean $100 by a PayPal account from here. So this one is first website. Now I like to share another one. This one is called List Apart. A listapart.com is one kind of trustworthy website. I mean, professional um, article writing websites you can choose, or as you can see here, what type of niche you can provide on this listapart.com. Web design and development. If you are a web designer or developer, you can earn $300 per article from here. I mean, listapart.com easily from any corner door. Before starting your journey, you have to be skilled on web design and development. A list apart is an online site that publishes all content about current and cutting edge topics in the web industry. Here you will find almost everything you need to know about making websites. They are actively looking for talents who can write casual articles in informative techniques anywhere between 600 to 3,500 words per far is a post over here. So I strongly recommend you to start your journey on this listupper.com as a professional article writer to achieve extra cash as a professional uh, web design or developer. Next one is create.com. The niche of this article website is general. You can earn 50 to $200 per submission on this create.com. This one is another great website that pays you for writing list style articles other than funny and interesting written content. They will pay you for creating infographics, search and names too. This site covers practically everything under the sun, from history to science, technology to sex, and everything in between. So you have to know the total information to start your journey over here. Next one is college humor. This one is general plus humor. Also niche and earnings is 35 to per 50 per article over here. And if you are beginner, you can choose this college humor. Over here, you have to know all the information. Next one is all women on writing. Women writing based article over here. And you can earn $150 per articles. And you have to know more information about this website. Wow is a global magazine created to support women writers, offering inspiration, supports resources, online workshops, and classes to help women writers throughout all the stages of writing. Best of all, they are paying you to write. Lengths of the articles range from 1,000 to 3,000 words, and you will expect to get $50 or $750 for that. Some writers claim to earn $150 for 3,000 words over here. So be careful to provide your words on this website for achieving extra cash per article from here. Next one is Money Pantry. This one is amazing website. You can earn extra cash by writing your article on this moneypantry.com. This one is personal finance niches, and you can earn 30 to $150 per article easily. And this one is a personal finance blog that talks all about practical ways to save and earn more money. Whenever you want to save money, pay off debt, prepare of your retirement, or simply get some free stuff, there's always something you can learn about here. So you can choose this website easily to earn extra cash. And this one is article 1000 to 2000 words race you have to write on this uh, website easily, and you can earn 30 to $150 per article from here. Next one is focus on the family. This one is parenting and marriage. If you have any interest on parenting and marriage, you can choose this niche to start your journey on focus on the family. I mean, this one is the best and easiest and funny niches. I think you can earn extra cash or $50 from here for a 50 to 300 words short study. So this one is the best, I think, for you. Only you can begin at $0.25 per word easily. So next one is income dairy, internet marketing and online business niche. You can choose from here, and on the other hand, you can earn 50 to $200 per article over here. You have to know more and more on about this website. Next one is international living and retired abroad. destination also 75 to $400 per article over here. And this one is the total criteria about this website. Next one is the last one, I think. The layout by flywheel. The layout by flywheel is another website to source your article, I mean on web design and development on WordPress, I think. You can earn up to $150 from here, and this one is the best and easiest way to write your article. Or if you have a passion to write article, or to start your journey as an article writer, I recommend you to source this 10 websites to earn extra cash from any corner of the world by using your computer, I mean mobile phone or laptop or desktop easily. Thanks for watching my videos till the end. I could request to watch my previous videos from my YouTube channel. Just click on this playlist and start watching from here for ensuring extra cash. There are 85 videos on my YouTube channel, I mean Make Money Online. If you appreciate my videos, please like, comment, share more and more with your friends and family members. So stay connected with Make Money Online. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.